Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. This is Fifth Water Hot Spring, a popular hot springs also known as Diamond Forts Hot Springs. It is an easy hike, 2.5 miles each way. It is a popular scenic hot springs in Utah. From the parking lot, you will be following Sixth Water Creek. About 1 mile into the hike, there will be a footbridge. You will cross over Sixth Water Creek. Then, follow along Fifth Water Creek up to the hot springs. Once you start smelling sulfur and the water starts turning to milky blue, that's a sign that you're getting close. Once you emerge into an opening with no shade, you'll be there. The hot springs are hard to miss because you walk right up to them. The hot springs themselves are really beautiful. It's no wonder most locals place this high on their bucket list. It might be a good idea to walk around to the different pools to test out the temperatures. Some are very hot, some are lukewarm. The closer to the waterfalls, the hotter the water is. These hot springs was a real treat, and the trail itself was just as beautiful.